After successfully signing up, navigate to the Dealmachine login page and enter your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll land on your personalized dashboard, your central hub for all your prospecting and marketing activities, designed for intuitive navigation. The core of Dealmachine is adding properties to begin driving for dollars. Open the Dealmachine mobile app, tap on Start Driving, then simply drive through neighborhoods and tap on any house that catches your eye. This instantly adds the property to your list, pulling in ownership details and property data automatically. You can also manually add individual properties from the desktop dashboard or import an existing list of addresses. Once you have properties on your list, it's time to launch your first mail campaign from your property list on the desktop. Select the homes you wish to target, click the Create Mail Campaign button, then choose your preferred mailer template, customize your message, add any relevant images, and select your sender profile. Review the total cost and confirm your order. Dealmachine handles the printing and mailing directly for you. And just like that, you've completed the essential steps to get your Dealmachine account up and running, putting you on the fast track to finding and contacting motivated sellers. For more in-depth features, explore the extensive training resources available within your account.